Hey guys, it's Miss Guy, and we are into session 11. The semester is flying by, so hang in there. You are getting so close to the end. We are starting session 11 talking about teamwork. I would say a college student thinks about teamwork in terms of group projects within your college courses, and you probably all cringe. Though group projects are sometimes the bane of our existence, when you enter the career world, teamwork becomes that group project. Sometimes, depending upon the career that you're working in, teamwork may look different than group work in college settings. However, it still has its challenges, and so we are going to attack teamwork and how it can be done well via the concept of diverse teams. So there is a short little video clip to watch on the power of diverse teams. It's from Microsoft, so just click on that. It's not very long. Then peruse through chapter 7. You are going to do that by completing the teamwork reading notes. You should know how to do this by now, but we're going to make a copy of that reading notes document. We're going to put a picture of ourselves here in the upper left-hand corner, and then we are going to complete these notes. This is a wonderful chapter in terms of giving us some tips and ideas on how to be great team players. One of the spots that you are going to take notes on is the 5 different ways that you can work effectively with team building, such as communication or conflict management. And then we will move into those 10 proven strategies that build really great teams. And those are simple strategies such as being flexible, or, just taking the time to get to know one another. Sometimes those teeny tiny things that we don't think of actually makes the biggest difference for us. And then further down in your notes, you'll also talk about those obstacles, because while we would like to think positively about teamwork, we know that sometimes it is not a positive experience. And so there are obstacles that we have to jump over, hurdles we have to clear. And so we're going to talk about the negative too and how we can make it better. And then finish those notes up with principles of conflict management and some reflection questions. Once you have completed those reading notes, we're going to jump to the journal. And the journal also has a video for you to watch. It is from the movie Here Comes the Boom. I don't know if you've ever heard of that before, but it is from that movie. So you'll watch that little tip and then answer the reflection questions. Although you probably don't need me to show you at this point, I will copy and paste the items in between the dotted line, and we are going to put that into our entry box, and our response is going to be in paragraph form, and we are going to change the color of our response. When we are done with that, we'll hit that blue Save Changes button, and that will take us through the end of session 11. Have a wonderful week. Reach out to me if you need any help or assistance. And I hope that there is something in this teamwork session that you can take with you into the world of working with others.